What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Poncho back with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to show off this 1978 Corvette I just got with the 350. So I don't know if I'm going to plan on restoring this one like I'm doing the Volkswagens, or I'm just going to flip it. But we're going to show you around, and you guys let me know. Would you want to see this flipped, or would you want to see this restored? It doesn't need as much work, but it still needs a little bit. So you guys let me know and enjoy the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for subscribing, and all the love and support you guys give on every video is appreciated. So you'll see me pop in here time to time, but you guys let me know what you think and watch the full video. Thanks. How do you guys think it sounds here? You let me know. What should I do to it if I do restore it, guys? You guys let me know all the comments down below. And like I said before, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I do these things just to show you guys like this cool stuff I get in and stuff like that. And thank you guys so much for watching and sticking to the end. Thank you guys so much.